Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today you guys, we are going to make a shrimp po' boy sandwich. Well, I'm making one for myself. It's going to be a mini shrimp po' boy sandwich. It's not big, but it's a nice size French bread. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is I am going to season up my shrimp. I'm using some jumbo shrimp that I found in Walmart. And I'm using some Cajun seasoning, okay? That's all the seasoning that I am going to need to make my shrimps taste very well in my shrimp po' boy sandwich. The fry batter that I'm using some Louisiana fish fry batter. They also have shrimp batter. I'm going to crack open an egg, and I'm going to use that egg as a binder, okay? You can use 1 or 2 eggs. I suggest you just really only need 1. You can add hot sauce if you would like, or mustard, spicy brown mustard for your binder as well to add with your egg. I also go ahead and add in that fish fry batter, and I batter my shrimp. Once I have my oil heated up, I'm adding my shrimp to my skillet. I'm not using a deep fryer today. I'm just going to use a shallow pan of oil for these shrimp because I'm not cooking too many shrimp. I just had a taste for a po' boy sandwich, so I decided to make me one. I had all the ingredients already at home. And it only takes about 3 minutes for you to cook your shrimp, okay? So make sure that your shrimp fry for 3 minutes and that they become nice and golden brown and crispy like so. Yes, baby. These shrimp were very delicious. If you never tried a shrimp po' boy sandwich, go ahead and make you one. Trust me, you will like it. The bread that I'm using, I did get out of Walmart. No, it's not New Orleans style, but it's very delicious, okay? My shrimp are all done. And remember, it don't take but 3 minutes for shrimp to cook. So if you're using a deep fryer, remember, it only takes 3 minutes. You know, I had to turn mine over because I wasn't using a deep fryer. Didn't my shrimp turn out beautiful, nice and golden brown? So now let's go ahead and let's build this shrimp po' boy sandwich, okay? The remoulade sauce that I'm using, I got from Walmart, and yes, it's Louisiana style too. And I tasted it, and it tastes very well, very good, y'all, okay? So here's a picture of it, if in case you want to go to the store and pick it up, and I got mine at Publix, okay? You probably can find it in other places as well. So I'm going to put the remoulade sauce on both sides of my French bread. Yes, this is a mini French bread, but it's very delicious and tasty, y'all. And I got this at Walmart for about $1.50 for a bag, okay? And I can make other sandwiches as well. I'm using some shredded lettuce. You can pre-buy your lettuce shredded, or you can cut it yourself. And that's iceberg lettuce. And I made me a tomato slice, cut it in half, and I'm placing it on my sandwich. Y'all, tomatoes are very, very good. I'm also adding some onions to my shrimp po' boy sandwich. And yes, these are dill pickles. Dill pickles taste very good with any type of seafood or a fish sandwich, okay? So next, we're going to pile our shrimp po' boy sandwich up with some shrimp. That's right, pile it up with that shrimp. And that shrimp was very tasty. That Cajun slap your mama seasoning plus the seasoning that they already have and that remoulade sauce combined was very delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this short mini tutorial on how to make a shrimp po' boy sandwich. Leave lots of comments down below on if you do or don't like shrimp po' boy sandwich. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.